Hello, and welcome to this overview of locally preferred subjects for display and expansions in WorldCat Discovery. In this video, we'll see how to locally remap subject headings to display more inclusive language in the WorldCat Discovery interface. Then, we'll see how to define local search expansions to ensure the most relevant results are returned for users. Begin by accessing the Local Subject Remapping template. Download the template by navigating to File, Download, and Tab Separated Values. The template is exported to your system as a tab separated values sheet and able to be edited locally. Alternatively, first accessing the template as an Excel document may be preferable for ease of editing. In this example, one subject heading will be remapped with two alternatives for demonstration purposes. The amount of alternative subject headings are determined at the discretion of the library. Each alternative must have its own entry line for the subject heading being replaced. Under Subject Heading, we have the controlled subject heading that we wish to replace. In this case, the term homeless persons. Under the column labeled Alternative Heading, we will define the inclusive subject heading we wish to display in its place. Here, we will use the term people experiencing homelessness. An additional alternative is also listed in a new entry line. Again, the original subject heading is homeless persons. The second alternative subject heading is unhoused person or people. Note that the two fields required by the system upon upload to service configuration are subject heading and alternative heading, while the remainder are optional depending upon institutional preference. When finished, click Save. In Service Configuration, navigate to WorldCat Discovery and WorldCat Local, and then search Settings. Locate the accordion labeled Alternative Subject Headings. You can enable this feature, upload your template containing your local subject headings, and create a customized message if desired. Now, when conducting a search in Discovery and using the subject headings we replaced, we now see the remapped headings display in our results set. After first implementing locally preferred subjects, libraries may then implement locally preferred expansions. Local search expansions also begin by accessing the Local Expansions template. The user-entered search query will be the term that is searched, either by clicking a subject heading link or by manual entry. The column labeled Search Expansion of User Query is where we will place the terms that should be searched in addition to the user's original query. In our example, when a user searches for or clicks on a subject heading labeled People Experiencing Homelessness, their search will be expanded to include the sensitive term homeless persons. The final column in the template allows us to determine whether to consider the sensitive term inclusive or exclusive. Exclusive terms will not display to the user by default. For demonstration purposes, in this example we have labeled unhoused person or people as an inclusive term, and homeless persons as an exclusive term. It is best practice when using this template to always remap your local subjects back to the controlled heading with an exclusive local search expansion. In this scenario, that is homeless persons. After saving our file, we can return to service configuration, this time accessing the Search Expansion Settings accordion. Under Local Search Expansion, we can enable this feature, upload our template, and utilize custom text if desired. From the Item Details screen in WorldCat Discovery, we see our original search with our locally preferred subject headings. Clicking on these links will prompt a new search. We'll first click on people experiencing homelessness, and we'll note our new search terms in the search box. As we have opted to expand this search with related terms, we see the note that informs us of this at the top of the screen. Clicking on Include Related Terms prompts a pop-up window to appear. We first see the search we entered, followed by the local expansion terms we specified in our template. As we labeled unhoused people or persons as inclusive in the template, this term is visible to us. Terms that we have labeled as exclusive are now hidden beneath a customized disclaimer. To reveal these terms, click Show. For any queries not answered by documentation, please visit help.oclc.org and click the Contact OCLC Support link at the top of the page. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.